1956 Chevrolet 210 two-door wagon to take a look at Unique, especially in classics. This particular car started life crocus yellow and black, as you can see. Has had some restoration work done, repaint. Now in a bright yellow and white combination. Good looking car. Look at how straight the driver's side is. Take a look at the bright work. Really pops in this car. 56 grille. A lot of people like the 56 over the 57s. And as you can see, this one, as far as the chrome, bright work, shows well, no doubt about that. Headlight surrounds, wood ornament, and then take a look at the paint. Nice luster to it. I mean, yeah, it's been driven. You look close enough, you're going to find an imperfection here or there, but overall, good looking condition. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see underneath the hood, the interior, the undersides of this, kind of check out what I'm talking about. The still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. Underneath this hood, 350 small block Chevy powered, Edelbrock carb, Doug's headers, HEI ignition, Flowtech aluminum heads. We're going to get around to opening the hood, starting this up, letting you hear it run here in a bit. So check it out a little closer then. Riding on American Racing polished wheels, 5-spoke variety. Take a look up and down the passenger side at the bright work. Interior, cloth interior, black in color. Dash looking pretty stock with the exception of the aftermarket tachometer on the column and an aftermarket radio. Get a look from rear going forward. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now remember, this is a 210 two-door wagon. No, it is not a Nomad. 350 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. And you can see the underside pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Taillight surrounds, rear bumper chrome, again, bright work. Really popping on this car. Take a look down the driver's side. We're going to check out this interior a little bit closer also. Start it up, let you hear it run. I did have the radio working, blower fan work. Wipers appear to still be vacuum. They do work, but when I say vacuum wipers, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, now as far as the interior goes, door panels, as you can see, there's the true color of it. If I get up on top of this interior closer, it kind of washes out. I'm going to show you what I mean right here. Alright, there's the true color of that interior. It's a black cloth interior. As I walk up and get close with this camera, you're going to see that it's going to kind of wash out to a gray like that. That is not the color of this interior. The interior is black. You're going to kind of notice that in the pictures too. Let me back out. There you go. There's the authentic color of the interior. Alright, let's check out the steering wheel dash again. Blower fan works, stereo worked, wipers appear to still be vacuum. Well, on the slow side, we're familiar with vacuum wipers. Start it up, let's hear it run. Starts easily. Now, take a look at this. One of the cool accessories you could get in the Tri-5s be your Kleenex dispenser. Gotta like that. Painted dash. Click on the... Alright. What else? Headliner. So that is a nice shape also. And you'll be able to check out the still pictures on the interior. Probably be able to see those a little better. Of course, the rear seat folds down. Nice, see that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Nothing crazy or obnoxious, but good sounding car. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, wrap up.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice tidy engine bay on this one. Take a look at that. Of course, screen up in front of the radiator. Make it easier to clean up after bugs. Get some of those on in the summertime. Got some nice chrome and bright work underneath this hood in the engine bay also. Again, Doug's headers. HPI ignition, you see that there. Edelbrock card. There's tubular control arms I noticed also. See those down there. Heater hose is still hooked up. Electric choke. Nice setup. Have a picture of the data tag if you want to check that out. The still pictures, picture of the VIN. That's all in the still pictures. Top to bottom, inside to out, the still pictures. At uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.